Matatag Curriculum, English Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 3, Using Structural Analysis in Unlocking Meaning of Words. Hello kids! Are you ready for today's lesson? If yes, then let's start. Our topic for today is about English 4, Using Structural Analysis in Unlocking Meaning of Words. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Here are the objectives. First, identify root words to infer meaning of words. Second, identify meaning and use of prefixes such as an, in, il, ir, im, and miss in inferring the meaning of words. Third, recognize the denotative and connotative meaning of words used in sentences. Let's take a look at the table for a short review. First column is the word, second root, third is the meaning of root, and the last column is the meaning of the word. First, laboratory. Latin root, laboratorium. Meaning of root, a place for labor or work. And the meaning of laboratory is a special room or building where you do experiments. Second word is investigation. Latin root, vestigium. Meaning of root, footprint or track. And investigation means to study or examine closely. The third word is diagram. Its Greek root, diagraphane or diagraphine. Meaning of root, marked out by lines. And the meaning of the word diagram is a drawing that shows how parts fit together or how something works. The fourth word is microscope. Greek roots, micros, scopein. Meaning of root, small to look at, and microscope means a tool that makes tiny things look together. And the last word is astronomy. Greek root, astron or astron. Meaning of root, star. And astronomy means learning about things that are not on the planet Earth. Let's try to unlock content vocabulary. Let's have the first one. Root. The most basic part of the word which holds the core of the word's meaning. And here are the examples. Like, kind, work, enjoy, wash, walk, kiss, and love. The second word that we have here is about affix. Affix is an additional element placed at the beginning or end of a word to change its meaning. Affix has two kinds. We have prefix and suffix. So let's talk about these two. Third is prefix. This is an affix that appear at the front of a root word. Here are the examples. Super, none, for, ear, sub, de, re, under, miss, anti, over, and inter. The fourth word is suffix. This is an affix that appear at the end of a word. And here are the examples. Able, s, less, eve, full, meant, n, y, et or it, est, ed, and Sean. Let's have the example word number 1. Impassable. Impassable. The word impassable is divided into 3 parts. First is im, second is pass, third is able. The im here is the prefix, and pass is the root word, and able is the suffix. Example word number 2. Disable. Disable. This time, this word is divided into 2 parts. Dis and able. Dis is the prefix and able is the root word. Example word number 3. Retail. Retail. This is also divided into 2 parts. First is re, second is tel. Re is the prefix and tel is the root word. Example word number 4. Disagree. Disagree. This is also divided into 2 parts. First is dis, second is agree. Dis is the prefix, agree is the root word. Example number 5, this time with suffix. Kindly. Kindly. This is divided into 2 parts, kind and ly or li. Kind is the root word and ly or li is the suffix. Fifth word we have careful. Careful. This is also divided into 2 parts, care and full. Care is the root word and full is the suffix. Example word number 6. Collectible. Collectible. This is divided into 2 parts, collect and able. Collect is the root word, able is the suffix. Let's try this. Presentable. Present. Is it root, prefix, or suffix? The correct answer is root. How about able? Root, prefix, or suffix? The correct answer is suffix. Second word we have international. Inter. Is it root, prefix, or suffix? The correct answer is prefix. How about national? Is it root, prefix, or suffix? The correct answer is root. And the last word we have endless. End. Is it root, prefix, or suffix? The correct answer is root. And last we have less. Is it root, prefix, or suffix? Suffix. Good job! Let's try this. Which of these words can be combined with less and full? List the words that can be derived. So let's try the first word. Use. Use can be useful and useless. Useful means something that helps you or works well for what you need. And useless can be something that doesn't help or isn't needed. Next word we have harm. Harm can be harmful and harmless. Harmful means something that can hurt you or cause damage. And harmless means something that doesn't hurt you or cause any damage. Third word, care. Care can be careful and careless. Careful means paying close attention to avoid mistakes or accidents. Careless means not paying attention, which can lead to mistakes or problems. Next we have thought. Thought can be thoughtful or thoughtless. Thoughtful, being kind and considering how others feel. Thoughtless, not considering how others feel or acting without thinking. Pain. Pain can be painful and painless. Painful means causing hurt or discomfort. Painless means not causing any hurt or discomfort. Next we have hope. Hope can be hopeful and hopeless. Hopeful means feeling like things will get better or have a good outcome. Hopeless means feeling like there is no chance of things getting better or improving. Remember, when you add less or full to a word, it changes the meaning. Less means without or lacking. For example, hopeless means without hope, and painless means without pain. Next, we have full. Full means full of or having. For example, hopeful means full of hope, and thoughtful means full of thoughtfulness or care. Understanding these parts helps you figure out what a word means by breaking it down into smaller, meaningful pieces. This lesson teaches you how to analyze word parts to understanding their meanings better. Let's have worked example. Guide the students in analyzing the information on word parts in the table below. Note the change in meaning when a prefix or suffix is added. Let's have the first one. Prefix, root, suffix, and meaning. So we're going to use the word use. Use means take something for a purpose to get a result. Use with suffix full is useful. It means able to use for a purpose. Third, use plus suffix less is equals to useless. It means not able to achieve intended purpose. Next word we have prefix mis plus use is equals to misuse. Use something in a wrong way. Next we have prefix re plus use is equals to reuse, meaning use again. Let's try to have the Latin and Greek roots and their meanings. Let's have first the common Latin roots. First, aqua. Aqua meaning water. Example words, aquarium and aquamarine. Next Latin root, aud, meaning to hear. Example words, audience and auditorium. Third, we have multi or multi, meaning many. Example words, multimedia or multiple. Next, we have Latin root vis, meaning see. Example words are visible and vision. Let's now go to common Greek roots. Greek root anti or anti, meaning against. Example, antivirus, antidote. Greek root bio, meaning life. Example words, biology and biography. Third, we have micro, meaning small. Example words, microscope and microphone. Greek root phon or phone, meaning sound. Example words, telephone and saxophone. Here are the list of common prefixes and their meanings. Number 1, un, meaning not. Example, happy, unhappy. Number 2, re, meaning again or back. Example, do, redo. Number 3, pre, meaning before. Example, view, preview. Number 4, this, meaning opposite of or not. Example, agree, disagree. Number 5, in, meaning not or into. Example, correct, incorrect. Place, in place. Number 6, miss, meaning wrongly. Example, understand, misunderstand. Number 7, over, meaning too much or above. Example, work, overwork. Number 8, under, meaning below or not enough. Example, estimate, underestimate. Number 9, sub, meaning under or below. Example, marine, submarine. Number 10, inter, meaning between or among. Example, national, international. Number 11, trans, meaning across or through. Example, form, transform. Number 12, super, meaning above or beyond. Example, hero, superhero. Number 13, anti or anti, meaning against. Example, bacterial, antibacterial. Number 14, auto, meaning self. Example, pilot, autopilot. Number 15, by, meaning to. Example, cycle, bicycle. Here's a list of common suffixes and their meanings. Number 1, ed, past tense or completed action. Example, walk, walked. Number 2, ing, meaning present continuous or action in progress. Example, run, running. Number 3, s or es, meaning plural. Example, cat, cats, box, boxes. Number 4, or, meaning one who performs an action. Example, teach, teacher, act, actor. Number 5, ly or li, meaning in a certain manner. Example, quick, quickly. Number 6, full, meaning full of. Example, joy, joyful. Number 7, less, meaning without. Example, care, careless. Number 8, ness, meaning state or quality. Example, happy, happiness. Number 9, meant, meaning action or result of. Example, enjoy, enjoyment. Number 10, able or able, meaning capable of. Example, read, readable, access, accessible. Number 11, et or ty or t, meaning quality or state. Example, active, activity, beauty, beauty. Next, we have number 12, hood, state or condition. Example, child, childhood. 13, shone and shun, action or result. Example, celebrate, celebration, expand, expansion. 14, ease or ease, meaning to make or become. Example, modernize, modern, modernize, real, realize. 15, al, meaning pertaining to. Example, nation, national. Here's a list of common prefixes and suffixes along with their meanings. Infer the meaning of the words and write in the last column the definition using your own words. You can also think or search for more words with the same prefix or suffix. Here's the table. Let's try to answer. You have the common prefixes, prefix, meaning, example words, and what is the meaning of the word. Let's start with im, in, il, ear. It means not. Example words, impossible, invisible, illegal, and irregular. And what is the meaning of the word? Impossible, something that cannot be done. Invisible, something that you can't see. Illegal, something that is not allowed by law. Irregular, something that is not normal or does not follow a pattern. Next, we have miss. It means wrongly. Example words, misspell, misfortune. And what is the meaning of the words? Misspell means to spell a word incorrectly. Misfortune means bad luck or unlucky event. Next we have dis. It means not. Example words: disagree, dislike. What is the meaning of those words? Disagree means to have a different opinion or not agree with something. Dislike means to not like something or someone. Next we have able and able. It means is or can be. Example words: affordable, accessible. What is the meaning of the words? Affordable, something that is reasonably priced and can be bought without much trouble. Accessible means something that is easy to reach or use. Next we have full, meaning full of. Example words: affordable, accessible. What is the meaning of the words? Affordable means something that is reasonably priced or within financial reach. Accessible means something that is easy to reach or use. Next we have less, meaning without. Example words: endless, bottomless. What is the meaning of the words? Endless means having no end, continuing forever. Bottomless means having no bottom, seeming to go on forever. Let's have a lesson activity. Ask the students to work in pairs or in small groups to prepare word cards. They will select 3 words from the reading text in lessons 1 and 2. A word card has the parts as shown below. Just write your answer on your notebook. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!